No leads, no business. It's a harsh reality that many entrepreneurs face. Without a steady stream of leads, your business is like a ship without a sail, drifting aimlessly. Leads are the lifeblood of any business, and without them, growth is impossible. Imagine having the best product in the world but no one to sell it to. It's a nightmare scenario that can be avoided with the right strategies in place. Want to build a successful business? You need leads. Leads are the potential customers who are interested in what you have to offer. They are the people who will eventually buy your products or services. Without leads, your sales pipeline dries up, and your business stagnates. It's crucial to have a system in place to generate and nurture leads consistently. It's that simple. Leads are potential customers, and without them, you're dead in the water. A well-structured sales funnel can help you capture leads and guide them through the buying process. By understanding your target audience and their needs, you can create compelling offers that attract and convert leads into loyal customers. No matter how amazing your product is, you won't make a dime if nobody knows about it. Marketing and lead generation go hand in hand. You need to get your product in front of the right people at the right time. This means leveraging various marketing channels from social media to email campaigns to reach your target audience effectively. Leads are the lifeblood of your business. They are the fuel that drives your growth and keeps the money rolling in. Without a steady flow of leads, your business will struggle to survive. It's essential to invest time and resources into lead generation strategies that work for your specific industry and business model. They're the fuel that drives your growth and keeps the money rolling in. Think of leads as the gasoline that powers your business engine. Without them, your business comes to a grinding halt. By continuously generating new leads, you ensure that your business remains vibrant and profitable. You need a constant flow of fresh leads to survive and thrive in today's competitive market. The business landscape is ever-changing, and staying ahead means always having a pipeline full of potential customers. By focusing on lead generation, you set your business up for long-term success and sustainability. Getting high-quality leads can feel impossible. You're pouring money into ads that don't convert, wasting time on dead-end strategies. It's frustrating, right? You've tried everything: social media, networking events, even cold calling. Shudder. But nothing seems to work. You're exhausted, your budget is stretched thin, and you're starting to doubt yourself. Now, imagine a different story. Picture this. What if you had a steady stream of high-quality leads flowing into your business every single day? Imagine waking up each morning to find your inbox filled with inquiries from potential customers who are genuinely interested in your products or services. People who are actually interested in what you're selling, ready to buy. They are not just browsing, they are eager to make a purchase. They have done their research and know that your product is exactly what they need. No more chasing dead-end leads. No more wasting time on people who are not serious about buying. You can focus your energy on those who matter, those who are ready to invest in what you offer. No more wasted ad spend. Imagine reallocating your marketing budget to strategies that actually work, seeing a higher return on investment, and watching your business grow exponentially. Just a consistent flow of perfect customers, eager to get their hands on your product. Sounds pretty amazing, right? This is not just a dream, it's a reality that can be achieved with the right strategies and tools. Imagine the peace of mind and the satisfaction of knowing that your business is thriving. What if I told you there's an easier way? A cost-effective system that delivers fresh, targeted leads directly to you day after day. Imagine waking up every morning to a list of potential clients who are already interested in what you have to offer. This isn't a dream, it's a reality with our innovative lead generation system. No more guesswork, no more frustration, just results. Our system takes the hassle out of finding new clients, allowing you to focus on what you do best: running your business. Picture yourself no longer wasting time on cold calls or ineffective marketing strategies. Instead, you'll have a steady stream of high-quality leads at your fingertips. Stop struggling and start scaling your business today. With our lead generation system, you can watch your business grow exponentially. Imagine the possibilities: expanding your team, increasing your revenue, and achieving your business goals faster than you ever thought possible. Click here to learn more about our revolutionary lead generation system and unlock your true potential. Our easy-to-use platform is designed to help you succeed, providing you with the tools and insights you need to convert leads into loyal customers. The future of your business is waiting. Don't let it pass you by. Take the first step towards transforming your business and securing a prosperous future. Act now, and see the difference our lead generation system can make.